Hey everyone, here to tell you a little bit more about our bio-cooling tip cones. So these are our 98mm reefer cones with our special bio-cooling tip inside. As you can see here, this filter tip looks nothing like a cigarette tip, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. So we only recommend that you use the bio-cooling tip in the 98mm reefer due to the size and geometry of the cone and the filter tip. So this filter tip is a cylinder shape, just given the way it's made, whereas the filter tips we use in our cones are conical shape. So when you pack it full of cannabis, you don't have to worry about little bits getting in between the filter and the rolling paper here. If we put this bio-cooling tip in an 84 or a 109mm cone, you'll actually have bits of cannabis that fall right here at this top edge. It does not create a nice look, so we really only recommend you use these bio-cooling tips in our reefer-shaped cones. So back to the filter tip. This is why these cones are called the bio-cooling tip cones, and it's because this very specially designed filter, which is made for cannabis and hemp specifically. So compared to a cigarette filter, this filter is made out of biodegradable paper and is much easier to draw through. And in fact, cigarette filter tips are made out of a plastic acetate. So every time you throw that on the ground, it's essentially pollution, and millions of filter tips a year end up in oceans and in our beautiful forests across the country. These bio-cooling tips will create a nice smooth draw, cools the smoke down without actually filtering out a significant amount of cannabinoids. So it's nice for consumers who like smoking pre-rolls but perhaps have sensitive lungs and want a smoother, cooler draw. If you want to add custom branding to these, you're going to have to put a cigar band or an external wrap, since we're not able to print on the outer paper within the bio-cooling tip. If you have any questions or need samples of these, please visit us at www.customconesusa.com. Thanks.
Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out the other videos on this page. Comment below with any questions and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our new products. We at Custom Cones USA are your pre-roll experts.